I'm Susie Galvez, and as an esthetician and a beauty industry expert, I've had the opportunity to be in the skincare business for over 20 years. I always find it so personally rewarding to help women find their own beauty. I am thrilled to be able to have the opportunity to help teach and train you on the new Manitech Lift skincare system. There has never been a time of more rapid advancements in the skincare industry than right now. In fact, more skincare discoveries are being made in the last 20 years than all of the history of skincare technologies combined. Using the latest in skincare technology along with the finest plant-based ingredients, Manitech Lift skincare system combines radiantly age-defying science and the bounty of nature together beautifully. Manitech skincare products are a great way to complement your passion for healthy living, feeling great on the inside and looking great on the outside. All of our skincare products are formulated to be without parabens, allergy tested, non-comedogenic, not tested on animals, and free of synthetic oils. The Manitech Lift skincare system is your new French-inspired, age-defying system. Age-defying meaning that the products are designed to help you reduce the signs of aging and improve the youthful radiance of the skin. This is accomplished by nourishing the skin with antioxidants, botanical ingredients, and minerals that help maintain the natural resiliency to the skin. Manitech Lift also is easy to use with 5 products and 3 easy to remember, easy to follow steps. The packaging is beautiful with elegant bottles, jars, and tubes, all pearlized white with metallic silver. The deep purple color, along with the custom fleur, represents the inspiration from the French technology and the fine ingredients. In fact, the colors represent purple to uplift and calm, white, cleaning clutter and new beginnings, silver, modern and evoke riches. All the Manitech products include the Jeunesse 7 proprietary blend. Jeunesse 7, meaning youthful 7, is a combination of 7 key ingredients. We combine the tradition of Manitech glyconutrients along with the green clay from the French Alps. Aloe vera, known for centuries to moisturize and soothe the skin. Trehalose, known to hydrate by improving the water content to the skin. Arabinogalactin, a plant-derived polysaccharide known to help retain moisture with age-defying properties. Montmorillonite, a green clay from the French Alps containing 4 key minerals. Zinc, an antioxidant which protects the skin from free radicals and also helps with sebum. Silica, known for firming and tightening the skin. Magnesium, smooths the skin and improves hydration. Copper, helps with the skin's elasticity and resilience. There are over 30 botanical ingredients in the Lift system. Sunflower seed oil, which moisturizes and reduces skin's roughness. Oat kernel extract, which lifts, tightens, and firms the skin. Alfalfa extract, which smooths the appearance of wrinkles. Coconut oil and lavender condition the skin. Finely milled grape seeds, a well-known antioxidant and mild exfoliant. Myrtle leaf extract reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Here are the 5 products in the Lift skincare system. First, a gentle exfoliating cleanser. Exfoliating prepares the skin for the treatment products to follow. Contains finely milled grape seeds, a well-known antioxidant, gentle enough to use every single day. Next, the very unique multi-phase serum, which functions as a serum and a toner, which will help lift and tighten the skin. It works as a hydrating toner because it moisturizes the skin and reduces pore size. It works as a serum because it firms and smooths and tightens the skin. Our age-defying ingredient is oat kernel extract, which is known to smooth the skin, reduce roughness, and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Use the day moisturizer for all-day skin hydration. It contains several botanical ingredients, including aloe, lavender extract, and sunflower seed, along with myrtle leaf. Myrtle leaf is known to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The Night Repair Cream moisturizes, but it also functions as a treatment for overnight, age-defying results. It contains olive leaf, hazel, and barley extracts, all known to be antioxidants, and it has a wonderful light lavender aroma. The body lotion includes Kupu Asu butter, a creamy emollient butter that helps boost the skin's natural moisture and provides all-day hydration. Clinically proven to significantly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 3 easy-to-remember steps. Manitech Lift, radiantly age-defying, beautifully natural. For more information about the Manitech Lift skincare system, please contact the associate who referred you to this video or visit manitechskincare.com.